On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make up to $2,000 per week as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. As you can see, this is my resource, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to do to make money with this particular strategy. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are niches of products that you can promote to earn money on ClickBank. You can see a whole lot of them. So if you want, you can just click right here all. Once you click on it, you can find a whole lot of different niches that you can select to promote products. As I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting products under the health and fitness category. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is a health product that you can promote to earn money. You can see the gravity score is very high, so it means a lot of athletes who are promoting these products are getting a lot of sales. So you can also promote it to earn money. You can see the commission rate is $139.08. So if you are able to get up to 2 sales per day or 3 sales per day, you are going to be making a lot of money. Apart from this product, there are many others that you can select. You can see this one right here. The commission rate is $128.05. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $120.87. So there are many of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different health products that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the first one. To promote the product, you can just click on it so that you see the landing page of the product, or you can click right here affiliate page so that you can see the resources that you can use to promote the product. In this case, I'm going to just click on the product name so that you can see the landing page of it. Let me just click on the product name. Once you click on the product name, you're going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product. So when you scroll down, you can see a lot of details about the product. You can see many details. You can see they have bonuses. You can see a lot of testimonials. You can see your customers can decide to buy the product in any of these packages. You can see your customers can decide to buy 1 bottle at $59. They can choose to buy 6 bottles at $39 per bottle. You can see right here, if they want to buy 3, they are going to be paying $49 per bottle. So it depends on the choice of your customer, but the important thing is that any of them that they choose to buy, you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. It doesn't really matter which of the packages that they choose. So now once you have seen the landing page, the next thing is that you are going to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, you are going to click right here promote so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. You can enter your tracking ID here so that you can trace the traffic sources that are getting a lot of sales. But in this case, I'm not going to enter any tracking ID. So just click right here create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you are going to see a link like this. You can see it right here. So this is your affiliate link. Anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning a commission on ClickBank. So the most important thing is that you have to get a quality traffic to this particular link so that you can get many people to buy it for you to earn money on ClickBank. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT. What we are going to do is that we are going to use it to write an ebook so that you can use the ebook to promote the product. In this case, the product is about weight loss, so you can just come right here and then instruct ChatGPT to write a book about weight loss. Since the product is about weight loss, you can instruct ChatGPT to write a weight loss book for you so that you can use it to promote the product. So I'm going to instruct it to write a weight loss ebook. So you can just type write an outline for a weight loss ebook, or you can say book. So just something like this, write an outline for a weight loss ebook. Once you have your instruction, you have to just click right here go so that it can generate the outline for you. As you can see, it is writing the outline. You can see everything. This is the outline of the book, so just allow it to write everything for you. As you can see, it has written an outline for the book. Let me just scroll upwards for you to see. You can see this is the outline of the book. So now what you have to do is that you have to instruct it so that it can write content for this particular outline. So just type right here write the content for the outline. Write the content for the outline. So just instruct it like this. Once you have your instruction, just click right here and it's going to write a unique content for you. So once we instruct it, you are going to scroll down. You can see it is writing the content, you can see the content right here. So just wait for it to write everything for you. As you can see, within a matter of some minutes, it has finished generating the content. You can see this is the content of the book. Let me scroll upwards for you to see. As you can see, this is the content of the book. You can see from the introduction to the conclusion, it has written content for it. So now what we have to do is that we have to create our ebook using this particular content so that we can get a lot of people to read it and then click through our affiliate links. So the next step is that you have to search for docs.google.com. So just search for something like this, docs.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here blank so that you can create a new document. Once you open your new document, you can come back on ChatGPT and then copy your content. So just come back and then copy the outline of the book. So just highlight and copy the outline. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. It is not well pasted, so you have to arrange the outline by yourself. So just take time and then arrange the content. Just arrange it properly. As you can see, I have arranged the outline of the book. You can see everything. So this is the outline. The next step is that you are going to copy and paste the content of the book right here. So just go back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to just highlight everything and then copy it. So we are going to start from here. So just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your document and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to copy the rest of the content. So just come back and then highlight the rest and copy it. Just start from here and then copy everything. Just highlight and copy everything. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now we have a full book that we can share with others. You can see the content of the book. The next step is that you are going to come right here and then enter the title of the book. So just type the title that you want. In this case, we are going to type weight loss for beginners. Just something like this, weight loss for beginners. As you can see, this is the title of the book. The next step is that you are going to insert a book cover right here. So you have to design an ebook cover and then insert it into your book so that it will look nice and more professional. So what you have to do is that you have to come to Canva and then design a book cover like this. It's very simple, but because of time's sake, that is why I have designed it ahead of time. It's very simple to create an ebook cover like this. What you have to do is that you have to just come right here, drag an image here, type your text. Once you have your ebook cover like this, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on share. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select PNG file. Just click on that. Once you select that, you are going to click right here, download, so that you can download your book cover. As you can see, it is downloading onto my device. You can see it right here. Once you have your book cover, you are going to come back on your document. Just press enter so that you can send the text down. Just send the text down. As you can see, just press enter and it's going to go down. As you can see, that has been done. So once you have your text down, the next step is that you are going to insert the book cover right here. So just come right here, click on insert image. Once you click on that, you are going to select upload from computer. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the book cover. Let me just scroll upwards for you to see. You can see this is the book cover. So you are going to leave it like this. As you can see, this is the book cover. If you want to expand it, you can just drag right here and it's going to be expanded. Once you have your book cover and the content, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate links into this particular ebook so that anytime people read it, they can click through your affiliate links and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you can just type a call to action in any part of this book. So just type any call to action at any part that you want. So once the readers are reading, their attention will be drawn to the affiliate links so that they can click through it and then purchase the product. You can just type a call to action like easy trick to lose weight fast naturally. So just something like this, naturally. Try it now. So something like this. Just write a simple call to action like this. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to go back on ClickBank and then copy your affiliate links. So just come back on ClickBank. Once you come back on ClickBank, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then highlight your call to action. So just highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you are going to click right here, insert link. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see your link has been inserted into this particular text. So anytime people are reading, they can click through and then purchase the product. Apart from this area, you can equally scroll down and then type another call to actions. So you have to insert a lot of different call to actions into this particular ebook so that you can get the attention of the reader to click through your affiliate link. So in this case, I'm going to insert my affiliate link into this particular keyword, lose weight. So just highlight your keyword. Once you highlight your keyword, you are going to click on insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your link right here. Click on apply and you can see your link has been inserted right here. You can add a lot of different call to actions. You can add a call to action right here. You can add it on the first page. It doesn't really matter. Wherever you want, you can insert your affiliate link. So once you have your affiliate links in the ebook, the next step is that you are going to download it so that you can share with many people who want to lose weight. So once they read the ebook, they can click through your affiliate link. To download your ebook, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to select PDF document. Just click on it. This is the ebook. It has automatically opened. You can see the cover. When you scroll down, you can see the outline of the book. You can see the content. You can see your call to action right here. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once you have your ebook, the next step is that you are going to share it with people so that they can read it and then click through your affiliate link. So you have to come on this website, scriptd.com. So this website allows you to upload books for free. So you can upload your book onto this platform so that you can get a lot of people to read it and then click through your affiliate link. This website gets a lot of traffic. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the website gets up to 97.4 million visits every month. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see the traffic sources. You can see right here, these are the traffic sources of the website. You can see 10.98% of the people who visit the website are from United States. You can see 8.82% are from Mexico. You can see a whole lot of different countries. So you are going to get many people who can download it and then read it. So once they are reading the ebook, they are going to see your affiliate link and then click through. So what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. You can just click right here so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different people who have uploaded their books onto this platform. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload, so that you can also upload your book onto the platform. So just click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to click right here, select documents to upload. Once you click on that, just select your document and then click open. It is going to be uploaded. As you can see, it is uploading right here. So you can see the title of the book. As you can see, this is the title of the book. So you can just add some words if you like. In this case, I'm going to add the year, so 2023. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a simple description and then paste it right here. You can come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you are going to instruct it to write a description for you. So just type write a description of the book. So just something like this, write a description of the book. Once you type your instruction, you are going to click on go and it's going to write a simple description for you. You can see it is writing a description for the book. As you can see, it has written a description of the book. So now what you have to do is that you have to just highlight and copy the description. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your description right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your description, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select this box because you want people to download it. You can see allow people to download the document. We want a lot of people to download it and then read. So once they download it and read, they can see our affiliate link and then click through. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, done. Once you click on done, you can see your book has been published onto the platform. You can see this is the link to your book. You can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Twitter, you can share it on LinkedIn, by email, you can embed it onto your website. You can click right here to view your document. So it's just simple as that. So make sure you go and create a lot of documents just like this and then upload them onto this platform so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. Once you drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link, many people are going to buy the product for you to earn money on ClickBank. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.